Hey YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm just gonna show you how to reset the sat nav and double DIN. So for example, we have this problem here. I'm just going to tap Navi and see what happens. Something else open, right? Whatever I try, for example factory reset, it won't work. Car setting won't work. Anything I try here, it's not gonna work. For example, let's say music. I'm just gonna tap in music. Radio open instead of music. Okay, home is not working. Nothing is working here. You can see, right? For let's see the other things. This game, press that game, something else comes. So in order to sort these, I'm just going to show you step by step. So this is what you are going to do. You're just gonna put your 4 fingers on the screen like this, okay? But so once you do that, you will get this option. When you get this option, you just need to tap around until when you get it. So now it says that it is successful. You press OK. So what happened is, you see all the settings are here. These were the settings which were all over the place before. So I'm going to click home. Now I'm going to tap Navi, and Navi is opening now. I can go back to home. Now I'm going to tap in music. Remember, music was on radio. Now music open, you can see. Okay, I'm gonna go home, and for example I'm going to tap in radio, and radio will open. So guys, hope this video helps, and if you have got any questions or where to buy this Chevrolet double DIN, then you can put it in a comment, and I'll try to find a link and put in a comment box as well. So thanks very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this.